guys, today we are gonna bring little Zilla sledding on front of we have a little snow mound in front of the house.
So in front of her porch, it's like really ice. So we're gonna let her try. Let's go. Come with us.
Zilla, please do not fall.
Come on, Zilla. Put it on.
Ready? Here, wait.
What?
Go ahead.
Where do we put her? What direction are we gonna put her?
This way.
This way? She can
Maverick. Really? You're about to go sledding soon. Ready? Hold the leash, Maverick, so we know. Ready? Set.
Where do we
Wait,
Push her,
oh,
ready?
she might want to sit with someone.
Ready? Set.
Oh.
Let her go, Mav. Be careful. You're tangled up. You've got a tube and a dog.
Give me the tube. Here, give me the tube.
Thank you. Maverick, you come on. Come this way, Maverick. Walk around here. Ready? Go that way. Go back. Thank goodness I got that one.
I just want.
Come on, baby, turn the lights off.
I went down in Jackson. Have a little mama.
She wants.
Here.
Maverick, can you move out of the way a little bit so Monet can get on?
Have little mama.
Can she wait till she get on? Ready? Wait. Maverick, hold up, Monet. Don't go yet. Monet, take the dog.
Zilla wanna go to mama's lap.
Ready? Get set.
No, what are you doing? No.
Ready?
You guys hit the wall hard as heck.
You okay?
And now call the dog.
No, you're okay. I got the two. Go. Face me, Monet. Face me this way. Face this way. Okay, that's fine. Right. Ready? Set.